I'm going to teach you a simple mindset hack that can allow you to achieve any fitness goal, and you'll probably be surprised how it works. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, as we help individuals of all abilities improve their overall health and knowledge of the gym. And this mindset topic that we're going to talk about is something that so many of the people that I work with struggle with. This simple mindset tweak allows people to not only enjoy what they're doing in their fitness and health journey today, but allows them to see long-term into the future and move forward towards their goals. And you're probably wondering, okay, that sounds almost too good to be true. You're enjoying every single day, but you're also getting results long term. Well, here's how this works. A lot of people have heard the term that you should be grateful for how your body is, you should be grateful for how well it works, and all these things, but what does that really look like? When you go into the gym, do you always say to yourself, I am so happy and grateful that my body is able to move in a certain way, I am able to digest food properly and get energy, I am so grateful for the energy I have every day? Do we even think about that? No, not a lot of people go to that level of gratitude. So this is one of the hacks that you can simply implement into your workout routine today, where you start enjoying your workouts, enjoying how your body feels, and enjoying the movement, instead of going to the gym with a mindset of I have to do this or else I'll get fat, or I have to do this because, you know, my spouse will look at me in a certain way. No, you get to do this. You get to do this to allow yourself to improve your overall health, improve your overall fitness, and improve your capacity to have a happy and healthy body. In addition to this, we can use this form of daily gratitude or even every other day gratitude when you're working out, when you're eating healthy, to help you achieve your goals long term. Many of us have overarching health and fitness goals, like they want to lose 50 pounds or they want to lift a certain amount of weight someday, or maybe run a 5K for the first time. So what you can do is have these things as landmarks and things that you want to strive towards, but realize that it's exactly what they are. They aren't actually a thing you're trying to get and simply just do, because the things that you have to do are the things that you need to do every single day. So a prime example of this, if you want to say run a 5K for your first time ever, you can go into your runs with a sense of gratitude that your body feels so good on this day. You can run so fast on this day. It's moving so well on this day. You can be grateful for the fact that your body is able to take all the energy from the food and take it into this run. You are grateful for the fact that your body is so lean, healthy, and looks so good every time you go onto the run. Because I promise you, if you go into all your workouts with this kind of mindset and intensity, the time you actually go to run your 5K, you're gonna run it even better than you thought. Go ahead and drop a like if this gave you some good mindset tools and knowledge. If you do want some one-on-one coaching on how you can actually implement these types of goals into your workout, fitness, and health routine, there will be a link in the description that you can check that out. And if you want some more mindset tools on how to stay active when you are busy and unmotivated, go ahead and check out this video right here, because we address that and much more. So click that, you'll get some good value out of that. Thanks so much, and be all strong.